Introducing the Realme P1 5G, the latest sensation in the smartphone market, featuring a 6.67-inch AMOLED display. The Realme P1 offers a seamless visual experience with a 120Hz refresh rate and peaks at 1200 nits. At its core, the Realme P1 is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7050 chipset, with options of 6GB or 8GB RAM and 128GB or 256GB storage. The camera setup featuring a 50MP main sensor and a 2MP depth sensor. And for the selfie lovers, a 16MP front camera ensures you'll always look your best. The Realme P1 doesn't just look good on the outside. It sounds great too, thanks to its dual speakers. One of the most impressive features is the 5000 mAh battery, which supports 45W fast charging. Available in Phoenix, Red, and Peacock Green, and with a starting price of about 15,999 Indian rupees, it's accessible to a wide range of users. This smartphone offers great features without breaking the bank. The Realme P1 might just be what you're looking for. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech reviews and updates. We're always here to bring you the latest and greatest in the world of technology.